Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna walk through with you this company called Uchi Technologies Berhad. This is one of the technology company in Malaysia, and this is one of the quite outstanding company in the technology sector in Malaysia. So let's go through some background of this company, and also we will go through the financial standing and also the valuation and also the dividend yield for this company. Let's go. Now, Uchi Technologies, the market cap is at 1.4 billion ringgit. So what is this company all about? So Uchi Technologies Berhad is an investment holding company, engages in the design, research and development, manufacture and sale of electronic control system in Europe, the Asia Pacific and the United States. The PE ratio is currently below the Malaysian market, right? It's only at 15.6 times versus Malaysia market at 17.3 times. So slightly lower. Earnings have grown about 8.4% per year over the last 5 years. So if you look at the snowflake analysis here, past performance, dividend and health overall is quite good, right? But it seems that valuation is not so much. Future growth is also not so much, right? So let's look at the share price performance for the past 5 years. If you look at 2016, right, about 2016, end of 2016, 2017 is about 1 ringgit 80 cent. Today is about 3 ringgit, right? So we have grown quite a bit there. So stable share price, Uchitec is less volatile than 75% of Malaysia stocks over the past 3 months. Okay, so over the past 1 year, it has grown 21.4%, quite good. If you look into the return over the 5 years, it's about 91.3% based on this table. And if you include dividend, it's impressive 180%. That's high. Okay, so this is a valuation chart. So one of the benefit of using Simply Wall Street is that you can look at the valuation. All right, certain website actually it charges you money or fees just to share the valuation. But this company it will share, but Simply Wall Street website it will help you to it will show you the valuation. So PE is 15.65 times, and based on the calculation by Simply Wall Street, currently Uchitec is overvalued by 3.3%. So I would say it's just a fair value, right? It's about there, right? So the fair value is 2.96 ringgit. Current price is fluctuating around 3 ringgit 66 cent, right? So company PE ratio 15.6, industry 31.7, market 17.4. So based on this analysis, Uchitec is a good value based on its PE ratio, right? What about PEG ratio? PEG ratio is a bit high at 5 times, so it's a bit poor. Based on PEG ratio, it seems to be overvalued. Based on price to book ratio, it's about 6.9 times. So based on price to book, it's actually overvalued. What's the future growth? Future growth is not so impressive. It's only at 3.1%, right? So what's the analyst future growth forecast? It's only 3.1% versus the industry 15.6%. Alright, so future return on equity, we are expecting future ROE is at 45.6% for 3 years, and past performance has been 8.4% for the past 5 years. Right, so this is a past earning growth analysis, 8.4%, better than the industry at 6.2%, and definitely better than the overall market at negative 2.3%. Return on equity, company has been giving 43.6% versus industry at 9% only. is considered outstanding. Return of asset is at 35.9% versus industry 5.9%. Return on capital employed last year is at impressive 41.6%. 3 years ago is 24.8%. What's the financial health? Financial position analysis shows that it has more asset versus liability for short term, and for long term it has many asset, right? Liability is just a minor number there. Okay, so short term liability is good, long term liability is also healthy, right? So Uchitec is debt free. Uchitec has not had any debt for the past 5 years, so quite how to say, stable and safe company. Dividend yield, what's about dividend yield, right? Current dividend yield is at 5.56%, and versus the market is only at 1.5%. So overall it's quite good. The current payout to shareholders is at 87%, almost give back all to the shareholders. Future expect to go up to 90%. So yeah, thank you for tuning in to our channel today. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.